Welcome back. Today we are going to do a little bit of an install / review of our bed cover. We have the Bakflip bed cover. Kara got it right before we went on our big trip up to Canada this summer, and it may have been one of the best things we've ever bought for our truck. So let's go through, show you what it takes to put it on, all that sort of stuff, and then walk you through what we think of it after having it for 4 or 5 months now. I might be getting a little bit old. I complained when I first saw these bumper steps on the Chevys. I think they came out in like 2019, but I didn't like the way they looked. I am eating my words because they are the most functional thing we've ever had. So nice to get up in, and maybe I'm just getting a little bit older. But before we can get into the Bakflip, I have to take out our B&W companion hitch here. Remember to put the pins back in or else I'll forget and lose them. Yet again, being an old man, if I jump out of this thing anymore, my ankles hurt for a week. All right, hitch is out. Now to get the Bakflip back out of the garage, and luckily we have like the messiest garage in the world. It's kind of crazy that this is even clean, or cleaner than it was. So yeah, now time to get the Bakflip out. Old broken chairs. How many of you keep your old broken chairs because you're like, oh, we might need it one day? Even though you have to completely like hold it a certain way to get it to fold out apart and so it doesn't fall apart on somebody. But still not in the garbage. Now here's our Bakflip cover, which it's so nice that it fits so small to pack up. It's not that heavy, so one person can handle it pretty well, even if you're a weakling like me. Just really easy to get your fingers pinched too. Before I put this back on, we're gonna cut to a little bit of our installation video. So let's go with that. I think I have all the parts laid out. The topper's over on the lawn. I wanted to measure it to make sure it was the right one before we did too much. Luckily it is, or it appears to be. It has 2 rails, and one thing I was worried about with a truck bed cover like this is the rail sticking out too far into the bed, because those of us that tow 5th wheels know you can get that pin swinging over and you don't get a lot of room between the rails of your truck and the pin. This does not appear to come out very far. I mean, maybe an inch, and I don't think my pin is within an inch of hitting the rail. And if it is, I'm gonna find out the hard way, I think. Kara's handed me in the instructions. I guess she wants me to use these. Pretty tight fitment there, but it fits. I'm just going through and finger tightening everything right now, just kind of get it kind of fit in place, squared up, that sort of stuff.
Let us know what you guys have on yours. If you do have a bed cover, we're curious, you know, feedback. We're new to these, so give us some comments down below.
We're supposed to be able to hear it click into place as we go. I assume that's it. All right, I'm gonna have you shut me in here because I'm gonna have to move it from the inside to make it sure it gets to the backs. All right, is that all right, Kara?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Give it a whirl.
Okay, flip it shut. Okay, is it all the way to the tailgate? It should overlap the tailgate.
As far as I can tell, it seems overlapped. I'm trying to like, yeah, I think it's pretty well overlapped.
Okay, go ahead and open up the tailgate, then you can open up the lid.
It's not opening for me.
The tailgate's not?
No.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Almost panicked a little bit when you said you couldn't get it open. I feel like it's all squared up, so I'm just tightening this down. Really pretty dang easy. I like it.
I like it a lot.
I hope the installation video actually worked, getting inserted there. So you could see how to actually put the rails, all that stuff on. Now I'm just gonna slap this back into place, and we can talk about things we like about it as we do that. One of the best parts of the Bakflip is you still have access to your bed. You can flip it up, you know, 3 different sizes. Supposedly you could tow your fifth wheel with it up. I don't think with our short bed we could, but if you had a long bed, you can just fold this thing up against your cab and tow your fifth wheel, which is super sweet. We don't have a long bed, so I'm not willing to risk causing any damage. Can you push down on that button, Kara? Thank you. Something that really stands out to me with the Bakflip is how each section locks. So like right now, you can hear it's locked down. So you just pull this little cable here, open up, but you can hear that positive latching sound. If you hear that. And you know you're locked and good. That extra security is so nice. My dad has one of the cheaper versions of this, and it's either all or nothing. And it's so nice that you can lock this in different positions. Also, you can fold it all the way up. Once it's folded up, you still are going to have access to all of your truck bed, or at least most of it, which is super sweet. And with our camera setup, this folds down just enough that we can still have our rear view camera. Just barely. Go ahead and put our prop rods back in here. So if you are getting it up against your cab, you just do that. And it's not going anywhere. That way it's not rubbing on your cab or your window or whatever. But for now, we'll just have those undone. And then they just latch right in here. All right, now let's see if we have it slid back far enough. It fits really precise. So if I don't have it back far enough, it's not gonna latch right. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, just perfect. Just covers the bed nice. We had wanted a bed cover for quite a while, and we'd looked at several. There's a bunch that are cheaper, because this thing's like $1,000, I think. Right, Kara?
Pretty close.
Right around $1,000. And that it's a lot of money. But we knew we wanted one that was safe and secure, and we wanted the hard top, because we aren't able to park in our garage because it's full of junk. And I don't think our truck would fit anyways, or would end up dinging it trying to get it to fit. So we wanted it so that it would be weather resistant, and the Bakflip does that. We also wanted to have access to it because I know a lot of people, they have those really good looking painted ones that cover the whole bed of the truck, and they lift up, you know, about this high, and you can kind of like slide in stuff and that. But Kara's mom has one on her F-150, and I think it takes away the use of the bed. You might as well have an SUV then. That wouldn't have worked for us, especially with our fifth wheel. So this is the one we went with. And now having the bed cover enabled us to be able to go on our 2-week trip with our teardrop trailer that we would have struggled, to say the least, without it. We were able to fit so much more stuff in here secure, and we didn't have anywhere else to put it. One thing we ran into is everywhere we went up along the coast and up in Canada, the humidity was so high every night, everything was soaked. When we woke up in the morning, everything was drenched, which isn't a problem that we usually have here in Utah. That way we didn't have to keep that in the bean with us, and there was no room in the bean for that, and we didn't have to store in the truck. So we had a large Blackstone grill we had 2 paddle boards, we had a hamper full of all of our shoes and all that sort of stuff. We had a tire kit, a few toolboxes. I mean, the list goes on. And it was all able to fit, and we didn't have to worry about it getting stolen, anything else. Now, I understand there are ways to access this. It's not the most secure thing in the world, all that sort of stuff. Like, people can get a hanger in there or something and pull the cables, whatever. It keeps the honest people honest when it comes right down to it. The one thing that we find is that if they can't see it, they're less likely to take it, and the bed cover does that for us. One concern I did have with any bed cover is not sealing down good enough, and in high winds or high speeds they get flapping and they come off and all that sort of stuff. Kara's moms did that. There's been several people that we know, their bed covers have, you know, flapped and stuff as they go down the road, and they've caused issues, rubbage, whatever. With this one and how it locks down, so this portion right here can flip up, but as soon as I lock this one down, this whole thing's not moving, and it's locked in 3 different places. And it's locked on this panel, and this panel. And then you have your bolt going through right here. With all that, this thing stays really planted going down the road. We did 2,500 miles, and I never once noticed it with a crosswind or anything flapping back here. Anything that would even suggest that it was not super solid. Another thing that I think is going to be really nice with the bed cover is once the winter comes and we get some snow, it will not be in the bed of our truck. And we can just hurry and broom it off, and we're good to go. And the stuff inside the bed of the truck will stay nice. And so when we go up the cabin, all that sort of stuff, it's not getting covered with snow and all the road grime and all those sort of things. It's just going to help it keep so much better. Back in the day, everybody said these things actually help you get better gas mileage having your bed covered. I think I've seen something that it really doesn't matter. We haven't noticed a difference with gas mileage with it, but we tow a lot, so I don't know if that would factor in. I guess in the end, the question is it worth spending around $1,000 for one of these? And for us, we'd say, yeah, it's been worth it. We have enjoyed it, and everything about this feels high quality. And if you're looking for a bed cover, don't hesitate to look into the Bakflip. We've liked it. I don't see any reason that it's going to fail us in the future, but we'll keep you updated as we use it throughout the years. Comment below. Do you run a bed cover? What covers have you had success with? What are your thoughts? All that sort of stuff. You know, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all those things. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down, whatever. It helps either way. So, as always, thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend.